Good morning students. Today we are going to see how to subtract the 4-digit numbers without regrouping. In the last class we have seen how to subtract the numbers for 3-digit number with regrouping we have seen. Here without regrouping for 4-digit number we are going to subtract. So now we shall see to the page number 72. Natasha and her mother arranged 1200 mineral water bottles on a table. How many more bottles do they need to arrange? So that the total number of bottles is 1310. So one example is given. So we are going to try that one. That is Natasha and her mother. So two of them are arranging mineral water bottles on the table. So how many bottles means 1200 it is given. So here they have asked to find how many more bottles do they need to arrange so that the total number of bottles is 1310. So they are going to arrange 1200 bottles. The total number of bottles they need to arrange is 1310. They have arranged 1200. They totally need to arrange is 1310. So I have mentioned in words here, see to here. Total number of bottles to be arranged is 1300. Totally they have to arrange these much bottles on the table. But how much they have arranged? Number of bottles already arranged is 1200. So two of the Natasha and her mother arranged totally 1200. But total they have to arrange is 1310. Totally they need to arrange. But they have only arranged 1200. So what they have asked is the question, how many more bottles do they need? More means innu evlo theyappadhu. So how much more they need? So number of more bottles needed. So to find that, what we have to do in the last class for 3-digit number we have done, right? So the same thing that we are going to subtract the number from that number. So the total number, totally we need to arrange the number is 1310. So here we are going to subtract the number that already we have arranged. So then only we know how many more we need to arrange, extra how much we need to arrange, that only we are going to find. So to find that, we are going to subtract the number 1200 to this number, total number to be arranged 1310. So how will you subtract the number? First we have to write the place values. You know to write the place values for 4-digit number. Up to which place value you will write? Up to thousands place you will write. So write the place values at first. So ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So now fill the values in these places. So the first number is 1310. So 0 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 3 in hundreds and 1 in thousand. 3 in hundreds and 1 in thousand. So this number should be first. So the next number, which one should be subtracted? 1200. So write that number. 0 in the ones place, 0 in the tens, 2 in the hundreds and 1 in the thousands. So now you are going to subtract the 4-digit number. Two 4-digit numbers you are going to subtract. How will you subtract the number? At first in the ones place. So next to ones, tens. Next to tens, hundreds place. Then next to hundreds you will subtract to the thousands place number. So now we shall subtract the number in the ones place. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. You can write 0 or else here 0 before the number, first number should not be 0, right? So we no need to write the number first place, in the first place. So simply we can write. So how will you subtract the numbers? 3 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. You will say before number of 3, which is 2, 1. So you got us 1. So mentally you have to subtract the numbers. So at first in the ones place, then tens place, then hundreds and at last in the thousands. So here 1 minus 1 is 0. You should not write 0 because the first number of everything we should not write 0 at in the first place. We should start from the number 1 or else some other numbers. We should not start from 0. So don't start from 0. So the answer will be 110. So you will write the answer as 110, that is number of more bottles needed. So you will write the answer as 110 more bottles are needed to arrange on a table. So 110 bottles are needed. 100 bottles, 100 more bottles are needed to arrange on the table. So now, how can we verify this number is right or wrong that we have found? So to find that answer, we have to add the least two numbers, the given that we found the answer, no, that number and the least number in the given, you have to add those numbers, then you will get the highest number given here. So we shall verify that. To verify, we have to write the two numbers to add. So write the number 1200 plus 110. So give the places ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So how will you verify that? We have to add those two numbers, then you will get this answer. So if we got the answer, means that answer is right, that you have found as 110. So here 0 plus 1 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So here in thousands place 1. So the answer is 1310. So the answer we have found. So we have verified that this one is right, 110 is right. So you should not write 0 before the number, we should not start from 0. So we have to write as 110 more bottles are needed to arrange on the table. That only they have asked in the question. See here how many bottles, how many more bottles do they need to arrange? So that the total number of bottles in 1000 bottles is 1310. So total bottles is, we have to arrange is 1310. Mother and her Natasha arranged 1200. So to find the remaining how much more bottles they need to arrange, so we have to subtract those two numbers, 1310 and 1200 we have to subtract. So after subtracting, we have found the answer as 110, that which are more needed, more bottles are needed to arrange on the table. Then we have verified to the answer. So this is how we have to subtract the numbers for 4-digit number. Here we have done without regrouping. What is meant by regrouping in the subtraction? In subtraction, regrouping is borrowing the number that we have seen for the 3-digit number. So here there is without regrouping we are doing, and now we shall try to the exercise problem. The first one is subtract the numbers and verify the result. So we are going to subtract the number and we are going to verify as we have done in this example. So the same thing we are going to do. To subtract the 4-digit numbers, you have to write up to the place value of thousands. So write the place value up to thousands, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So now write the places, values in the places, 6 in the ones place, 5 in the tens and 9 in hundreds, 6 in thousands. So now subtract this number, 300, 3 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place, 8 in hundreds and 3 in the thousands. So now you are going to subtract this number. So how will you subtract? First in ones, next in tens, next hundreds and 1000 you will subtract. So 6 minus 3 is 3, 5 minus 2 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So you have to subtract, but mentally you are going to subtract the numbers. So 6 should be in the mind and 3 in the fingers. You have to say before number of 6, which is 5, 4, 3. So you are writing 3. And 5 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. Before number of 5 you have to count. Before number of 5 is 4, 3. So you are writing 3. And 9 in the mind and 8 in the fingers. So you have to say before number of 8, 9 is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you will for the fingers. Before number of 9 you have to count. So here 6 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. Before number of 6 is 5, 4, 3. So write 3. So this is how I have done mentally. So you are also going to try the problem by mentally counting the numbers. You know to count mentally for one digit number, 2-digit number, for 3-digit number also. For here we have done for the 4-digit number. So mentally do the sums. So next one, you are going to verify. So they have asked to verify the result. So how will you verify the number? With the that we have found answer to the number. Before smallest number you have to add those numbers and you will get the answer. So how will you write? First write the places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So now write the number given here. The two numbers you are going to fill. 3 in the ones place, 2 in the tens, 8 in hundreds and 3 in the thousands. And here 3 in the ones, 3 in tens, 1 in hundreds and 3 in the thousands place. So now you are going to add these two numbers. While we are adding this number, you will get this number. So add this number. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. So you got the answer 6956. So you know now how to subtract the numbers and how to verify the numbers. This is what we have done to verify. So the next one is 901 minus 6400. The same procedure only we are going to do. First write the places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So now write the values in the places, 1, 0, 9, 7 and here 0, 0, 4 and 6 in the thousands. So now subtract the number, 1 in the mind and 0 in the fingers. So we can't take 0 in the fingers. So 1 minus 0 is 1. That same number will be 0 minus 0 is 0. And 9 minus 4, 9 in the fingers. So fold the numbers. They are saying before the number of 9 is 8, 7, 6, 5. So write the number 5. And 7 minus 6. Mentally you can subtract the number. 7 minus 6 is 1. So count before the number of 7. Before number of 7 is 6. So fold the fingers, 6 fingers. So you will get the answer is 1501. By subtracting this number to this, we have got the answer as 1501. So now what we are going to do? We are going to verify the number. To verify, what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers that we have found answer, right? So this number and the smallest number you are going to add those two numbers. So write the places at first, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. And now write these two numbers in the places, 0, 0, 4 and 6 and this number 1, 0, 5, 1. So now you add these two numbers. So you will get the answer, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 5 is 9, 6 plus 1 is 7. So you now got the answer that we have verified this one, that we have got the answer as right answer, 1501. So we have added these two numbers, we have got as 7901. So this one is right one. So the remaining problems you are going to do as your homework problem. So everything is the same thing, that the same procedure we are going to do. There are 6 problems, and 6 problems you are going to do as your homework sum. Now we shall see to the second problem. Jolly puts up a stall at a fair. The table shows the number of items Jolly sells in 3 weeks. Read the table and answer the questions. So here Jolly puts a stall at a fair. So here there is an item that she puts in the weeks, 3 weeks they are given here. So with this we are going to answer the questions given that below. How many more items did Jolly sell in week 1 than in week 2? So here there are numbers given here. How many items? 9886 in first week. In the second week 4302 and the third week 5332. The first question is they have compared to the first week and the second week. How many that they have more? How many more items did Jolly sell in week 1 than in week 2? Week 1 vida, that week 2 vida, how much they have more? They have sold, we have to find. So to find that, what we have to do is we have to subtract those two numbers. So first we have to write the places up to thousands place in the, because it is a 4-digit number, so you are writing up to thousands place. First we have to compare this number. First write this number in the places, and the next number you have to write this, and you are going to subtract the number at first in the ones place, and in the tens and hundreds and in the thousands place you will subtract. For the first question, if you subtracted that number, you will get that answer. So that answer is the answer for the first question that you have asked. So you are going to do this one also a homework one. So the next question is, how many more items did Jolly sell in week 3 than in week 2? So here we have to compare week 3 and week 2, week 3 and week 2. So how many more they have sold in the week 3? How many more items did Jolly sell in week 3 than in week 2? So you are going to subtract these two numbers. You have to compare number. So which one is the greatest one? 5332. So write this number at first, and the second number this one, 4302. So subtract these two numbers. First give the place values. You know up to up to where we have to write? Up to thousands place. So write up to thousands place and write the values in their places, then subtract those two numbers. Start from the ones place up to thousands place you have to subtract. So after subtracting you will get the answer. That answer only that we have compared answer, that how many more items did Jolly sell in week 3 than in week 2. And the third question, you are going to do the second one as your homework sum. The third one, two farmers, Rakesh and Mohan, have grown vegetables in their farms. The table shown the quality in kilograms. In kilograms they have mentioned of vegetables produced by each farmer. However, some details are missing. Complete the table and answer the question. So here there is a table, there are missing terms, so we are going to find that one. So there are two farmers, who and all? Rakesh and Mohan. The two farmers are selling tomato, onion, cucumber and carrot. Then kilograms in the quantity they are showing in this table. So what is the question given there is? With that questions only we are going to fill the given answers, okay. So here, first question is, who has produced more tomatoes, Mohan or Rakesh? How much more? So here we are going to check to tomatoes. Here there is tomatoes. The question is, who has produced more? Who has produced more? We have to check these two in the tomatoes, Rakesh and Mohan. Which one is the greatest number, 1199 or 1088? 1199 is the greatest number. So who produced more tomatoes? Rakesh produced the tomatoes. So 1199. So Rakesh produced more tomatoes. So next question is, how much more? They have asked the number, how much more he has produced. So that one we are going to find. So to find, what we have to do, we have to subtract these two numbers. Then only we can find how many more he has produced than the Mohan. So now we shall find that. So this one is the first question. That who produced more? Rakesh produced more. So write that answer. Rakesh produced more tomatoes. Rakesh produced more tomatoes. So now we are going to subtract these two numbers, then only we can find the number, that more, how much more he had produced. So to find that you have to write the places, up to thousands place you have to write. So now we are going to fill the numbers, the values. 9 in the ones and 9 in the tens, 1 in the hundreds and 1 in the thousands place. And the next number is 8 in ones, 8 in tens, 0 in hundreds and 1 in the thousands place. Now we are going to subtract these two numbers. So subtract this number, 9 minus 8, 9 in the mind and 8 in the fingers. You will say before number of 9. So you will get the answer as 1. So write 1 here. So how we got? You have kept 9 in the mind and 8 in the fingers. Say before number of 9. So you will say as 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you will get as 1 here. So you will fold the fingers. So the next one also, 9 minus 8 is 1. So write 1. So 1 minus 0, 1 minus, if 0 is subtracted to any number, you will get the number what is given there. So 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So you don't need to write the number at first. 0. The number should not be started with 0. So you are ending with this 111. So how much more he has produced? Rakesh produced 111 more tomatoes than Mohan. So this is the answer we have got. This is for first question. So 111 kg more tomatoes. So write that 111 kg more tomatoes than Mohan. So write as Rakesh produced 111 kg more tomatoes than Mohan. You can write that. So write as Rakesh name. And the next question is, how much onion is produced by Mohan's farm? So here how much means total number. How much means total number of onions produced by the Mohan's farm. So here where is given? here onion is given, onion only they have asked how much onion is produced. So onion is given here. Here we have to find the answer, the total number they have given. If they have given total number means what we have to do, we have to subtract this number to this number, then we will get the remaining part. So the total number is this much, totally onion has produced this much, then Rakesh produced 3456 onions. Then to find the remaining you have to subtract this number to this number, then we will get the remaining part. So now we are going to subtract by giving the places ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now fill that number 9 in, you will write the greatest number first. So 9 in ones, 7 in tens, 6 in hundreds and 5 in thousands. And then onion number 6 in ones, 5 in tens and 4 in hundreds and 3 in thousands. So now you will subtract these numbers. How will you subtract? At first in the ones place, then in the tens, then in hundreds and then in the thousands place. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So now you got the answer 2223 kg. So you will write the answer as 2223. Give the commas in between hundreds and thousand for the 4-digit number. So here the next question they have asked is, Rakesh farm has produced 4122 kg of cucumber. Is this statement true or false? So here we are going to find the answer, that is for Rakesh. Rakesh farm has produced 4112. They have given the answer there. So we are going to find whether it is true or false. So how we will find? We have to subtract these two numbers, then we will get this number, Rakesh number. So then we will answer that whether it is right or wrong, that they have given as answer 4122 kg. So by subtracting the number 2367 to this number, you will get the answer. So see here, first you have to write the places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So write this number 6489. And the next number, this Mohan's number that he produced cucumber. So 7 ones, 6 tens and 3 hundreds and 2 thousands. So now you have to subtract this number. After subtracting this number, you will get one answer. So that answer, that is you have to check with the question they have asked, right? That is 4122 kg of cucumber. If we got that answer, then we have to give the answer as yes, it is true. So is the statement true or false they have asked. So you have to say that is true or false. So check that. 9 minus 7 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 4 minus 3 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4. So you now got the answer as 4122. So see to the problem, Rakesh farm has produced 4122 kg of cucumber. So it is right or wrong? The answer is verified, that is given answer only. So it is true. So write the answer as true in that. And the next one is, who has produced more carrots, Mohan or Rakesh? So here there are two questions. How much more? They have asked who has produced more, and we have to find how many more they have produced. As the first question we have found, right, that is who has produced more tomatoes we have found, that is Rakesh produced more. By adding these two numbers, by subtracting the numbers, we have found. So now here also the last question is, who has produced more carrots? Here there is given, two numbers are given. So you are going to subtract this number, then you will get the answer. So that answer is, that is who will get the more number, how much more they have produced, you will get the answer. That first question is, who has produced more? You have to check to this number, which number is greater. That number only, that produced number, who has produced number, Mohan has produced carrot more. So that is the first answer. And the second answer is, how much more means, how much more to subtract these two numbers. First the greatest number and the smallest number you will subtract. So to subtract, you have to write up to the place value of thousands, ones place, tens, hundreds and thousands. So write the numbers given here. First the greatest number, 2919. Then the next number, 1409. So now you have to subtract this number, you will get the answer. 9 minus 9 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 9 minus 4 is 5 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So you have to do everything by mentally. Already you know to do the subtraction for 1 digit number, 2 digit number and for a 3 digit number. So here we are doing for 4 digit number, but you are subtracting only for units place, right? So write 9 minus 9 is 0, you know that. Then 1 minus 0 is 1, 9 minus 4. So keep in the mind itself, you calculate in your mind. 9 minus 4 you will get as 5. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1510 is the answer. So that is how many more they have produced. Who has produced more? Mohan has produced. So the first answer should be Mohan produced, as I have given here. Mohan produced more. The name is carrot. No, Mohan produced more carrot. And the next answer should be that Mohan produced 1510 carrot, 10 kg carrots than Rakesh. So how will you write? Mohan produced 1510 kg carrot than Rakesh. So this will be the answer. So I have given homeworks for you. That which under? In the first question I have given 7 questions and the second one for you homework that I have explained to you, and then third one you are do it in your max note, and fill the columns that I have given answers for you. So fill in the boxes that is given. So thank you students. We can see the next class estimation of differences. Thank you.